Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you guys today. As you can see here, it's another package from Esstac. Alright guys, so this is what I ended up picking up for Esstac. This is for my GBRS belt that I'm putting together. So I have one pistol mag pouch, or actually technically three. So this is your regular one that's vertical. This appears to be a 70-degree, and I believe this one is going to be a 40-degree. And then I have one rifle pouch. So the reason I got the angled pistol pouches is because I figured out that when I was wearing my plate carrier, sometimes during certain movements, bending over, sitting down, or whatever, the vertical mag pouches that would be up front towards the belt, closer towards the buckle, would actually start digging into my gut. Definitely not a comfortable feeling. So I'm going to swap it out and try the 70 and the 40-degree angle to see how that works in comparison. As always, I'm using these WTF straps. I found these to be pretty good. The friction, the rubber between the MOLLE webbing works really well. Definitely a little bit of a pain to install in the beginning, but all works out. And these have these Velcro pieces, so you can just put them on and loop them over the belt, so you don't need to worry about having any sort of mounting system as it's already built in. But I am super excited to finally get these. I think I got them in about 4 days from submitting my order. So I submitted on a Sunday and these got to me by Thursday. So big huge props to Esstac for getting out those orders quickly. I know it's not an easy thing with today's current climate. But anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.